Here's a secret. The biggest productivity boost doesn't come from one big system. It comes from tiny automations that quietly do the boring stuff for you. I call them micro-automations, and today I'll show you 5 that can literally give you back 10 hours a week. Number 1. Automatic email replies. With AI, your inbox becomes self-cleaning. It sorts, replies, and flags what really matters. Number 2. AI meeting summaries. Imagine never taking notes again. Number 3. Auto-reporting. Every week, AI gathers your metrics, builds charts, and sends a report. Number 4. AI reminders. They're not dumb notifications. They're smart nudges that adapt to your habits. And finally, number 5. AI content scheduling. You create once, and AI repurposes across all your platforms. Each setup takes less than 15 minutes using Make.com, Zapier, or Notion AI. It's fast, free to start, and once you try it, you'll never go back to doing these tasks manually.